Hey guys, we're back to now put our letters on our page. So again, use a light pencil line. There's lots of erasing in this project. I'm going to start with a light pencil line for mine. This is a little bit darker than it should be, but I want you to be able to see it because eventually you're going to be erasing the whole thing. And if you see here, so my pencil's a little dirty. If you see here, you can still see where I erased the end. So you don't want to be able to see anything when you erase. So I'm going to use my pencil. I'm going to go over it in a black Sharpie after. And I'm going to do the word Molly. So I'm just going to draw out the letters of her name. Now, if they don't fit, you can erase them. That's why they're really light. And kind of move them around. Make one letter bigger, one letter smaller. Then it will look something like this. Okay, but you're going to be with a really light pencil, so you will not have seen any of your pencil marks when you erase them, because you're going to eventually erase them.